Hey guys, it is Team Jeep Lab here at the Jeep Lab. Today we are going to be doing a thermostat change out on a 1998 Jeep TJ. It's a straight 6. So pretty simple install. We're going to go ahead and show you guys. We went ahead, already got the thermostat picked up here. These are pretty cheap, not too expensive. Basically been having some overheating issues on this TJ. So we're going to go ahead and put the gasket too. Make sure you pick up a nice new gasket for it. Get yourself some coolant. And other than that, your basic set of tools, and that's all you'll need to do this install. All right, so first step, guys, is let this Jeep sit here for a while. It's actually raining out today. So this Jeep's been sitting probably about 2 hours now. You can always take a towel over here, slowly check, relieve the pressure with a towel. And then that way the towel will kind of help if anything bubbles up. Like I said, this has been sitting for a long time. It is topped off. So we know there's not pressure. A lot of people will check here by squeezing the hose for pressure, but your thermostat is located down here. So first step is we're gonna go ahead and get a set of pliers. Go ahead and remove these. We're gonna move this electrical connection here, and then we've got 2 bolts, one there and one there, which are 13 millimeter, and then this whole housing here is gonna come off. We went ahead and got these clips taken care of here. Once you slide them up over, you can go ahead and pull these 2 hoses up. Don't forget, you've got a clip here. Push the little button. That comes off. And then we're going to go ahead and get ahead on these 13 millimeter bolts, and this is going to come off. All right, so we've cleaned the surface up now. We went ahead and put our thermostat in. We've got our gasket kind of just sitting there. Next up, we're going to go ahead and put the housing on there and then connect our cable and connect our 2 hoses back. All right, guys, we got everything tightened up here on the housing. I would recommend starting with your bottom smaller bolt first, just since it's a little bit harder to get to. Go ahead and take your housing, put the bolt through, have the gasket on the other side, get that one, start a couple threads by hand. That way you can actually see up here on the top. Go ahead and start tightening that guy up. And once you get that one started, go ahead and tighten the 2 of them up. Then all you need to do is connect your electrical connection and your 2 hoses, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the simple video. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're hoping to bring you guys more videos, better editing, grow the YouTube channel. So all your help is much appreciated. If you see anything, got any questions, you can put it in the comment field. We'll do our best to get back to you. See you guys.